Before you begin, make sure your slingshot is on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. Place the center extension plate over the middle of the wing blade like so. Once the mounting holes are aligned, thread in 3 of the 10mm screws with lock washers, finger tight for now. Then do the same for the passenger side wing plate. Line it up over the pre-threaded holes and add 3 10mm screws with lock washers, finger tight. Repeat this same process for the driver side plate. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, tighten each screw down evenly, making sure not to over-tighten. Next, take one of the square rubber gaskets and place it onto the wing over the 4 pre-threaded holes like so. Then, position one of the L brackets with the slotted hole facing forward over the gasket and install 2 of the 15mm screws with lock washers, finger tight to hold it in place. Then install the second L bracket onto the other side of the gasket. Repeat this process to install the gasket and L brackets on the other side of the wing. Then tighten them down using a 5mm Allen wrench. Take the driver's side roll hoop bracket and position it onto the roll hoop, making sure the contours in the bracket line up with the contours of the roll hoop. Then insert 2 of the 65mm bolts through the upper holes and place the corresponding bracket on the back side. From there, insert 2 more 65mm bolts through the lower holes to hold everything in place. Position the outer mounting plate over the 4 bolts and loosely secure it using the supplied nylock nuts. Using a 13mm socket and ratchet, along with a 6mm Allen wrench, carefully tighten the hardware down without over-tightening. Repeat this same process on the passenger side of the vehicle. Next, take the passenger side wing support bracket and place it along the outside of the mounting plate you just installed. Line up the 3 mounting holes, then install the 3 supplied 25mm bolts and nylock nuts. Please note that the NRG logo should be facing the outside of the vehicle, like so. Once everything is aligned properly, tighten the hardware down securely using the same 13mm socket and 6mm Allen wrench. Repeat this same process on the opposite side. With both support brackets installed, carefully position the wing onto the brackets. We recommend having a second person help support the weight of the wing while you line up the mounting points on both sides. making sure each support bracket fits between the wing's mounting tabs. Then install 2 of the 25mm bolts and nylock nuts on both sides. Tighten everything down securely with a 13mm socket with ratchet and a 6mm Allen wrench. To install each wing end plate, start by placing the supplied rubber gasket onto the inside of the end plate and lining up the holes. Then insert 2 15mm screws with lock washers through the end plate and gasket. Position it onto the end of the main wing and thread it into place. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the hardware down securely. Repeat this same process to install the wing end on the opposite side. To adjust the angle of the wing, loosen and carefully remove the bolt in each of the slotted holes. Once removed, carefully position the wing and reinstall the hardware, making sure not to over-tighten.